Welcome to our channel. God quotes us. Stay open. Everything in life is temporary. Nothing, and I repeat nothing, ever stays the same. Start by saying this prayer. I recommend saying it in the morning or at night. Once you have it memorized, you can say it throughout the day. If I catch myself thinking negative thoughts, I replace them with this prayer. From the light of God that I am. From the love of God that I am. From the power of God that I am. From the heart of God that I am. I decree. I dwell in the midst of infinite abundance. The abundance of God is my infinite source. The river of life never stops flowing, and it flows through me with lavish expression. Good comes to me through unexpected avenues, and God works in a myriad of ways to bless me. I now open my mind to receive my good. Nothing is too good to be true. Nothing is too wonderful to have happened. With God as my source, nothing amazes me. I am not burdened by thoughts of the past or future. One is gone. The other is yet to come. By the power of my belief, coupled with my purposeful, fearless actions and my deep rapport with God, my future is created and my abundance is made manifest. I ask and accept that I am lifted in this and every moment into higher truth. My mind is quiet. From this day forward I give freely and fearlessly into life, and life gives back to me with a fabulous increase. Blessings come in expected and unexpected ways. God provides for me in wondrous ways for the work that I do. I am indeed grateful. And so it is. Amen.
Type Amen to claim your blessing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. God quotes us.